Hey guys, today we are here to introduce the best apps for this month. But it's not just 5 or just 10, not at all 20, but it is 50 best apps for Android. Actually, I teamed up with my good friend Aakash for this video, where we review 25 apps each. So once we started editing our videos, it finds that the total video is about more than 30 minutes. So we have decided to make it as a two-part, where each video contains 25 apps. So the first part of the video will be live in my channel and the second part of course in the Aakash channel. So I will leave the link to his video in the description below. So make sure to watch it as soon as this video gets end. And also subscribe to both of us. Oh, by the way, just don't forget to turn on that notification button so you don't miss anything. As it is a long video, we have some gifts for you, where we are giving away 19 promo codes for an awesome app, which is none other than KLWP, an awesome live wallpaper app that can completely change your device look. So in total there is 19 codes and 9 codes are hidden on this video. So all you have to do is keep your eyes open and watch the full video. The first person to find the code will get the app for free from the Play Store. And for the remaining 10 codes, I will talk about it later in this video. And now let's get into the business. So I am your host VM Sultan and let's get started. Upwards, an amazing minimal designed game with a simple control for a simple aim. So your aim is to get as much score as you can without getting touched with the black bars. So just tap on the screen to make the character jump, so you can beat your own presiding high score. You also do have different colors and characters to choose from. Anyway, as it is a minimal game, I love it and I hope you too.
Up next we have GrammarPal. This is a great app to find out errors and it works really well too. Whenever you are typing, a small icon with a refresh logo will pop up. So after you're done typing, just press this icon and it will analyze whatever you've written and let you know about the errors you've made, and will also give you suggestions for replacements.
Wall Ethics. Wall Ethics is a wallpaper app for your device, where it does have some awesome single-paged wallpaper, which means, just see this, these wallpapers do not have that scroll effect. It gets placed static in the home screen. So most of the wallpapers are natural scenario and truly it looks great. You can either save or set as wallpaper directly from the app itself. Just try it if you like to.
Alright, so the next app is for all of you using torrent clients like BitTorrent and uTorrent. So we're talking about KTorrent. There are two main reasons to get this over BitTorrent or uTorrent. First, this app is completely ad-free, and yes, you heard that right. Second, there's an exit when complete button, which will close the app after its complete downloading, unlike uTorrent, which always runs in the background. On top of the above mentioned reasons, it also has a really simple and straightforward user interface and 3 themes to choose from, which are light, dark and black.
OHM. So some says it's a game and some others says it's a learning app, but I say it's both, because it is a learning app for some basic principles on physics and other related topic in an awesome interactive way, or we can say just like a game. For example, all these levels in this stage teach about the energy and production or storage of energy, and next stage is about the negativity or about the electrons, and the third stage is just a music tapping game just to chill some of your time, and a lot more awesome and interesting stages to play and learn more. So I love spending my time on it all day, so be sure to give it a shot at it.
Up next we have Life Hacks, and the name says it all. It has life hacks, tips and tricks to optimize your everyday life. Life hacks are arranged in categories like technology, life tips, money savers, etc. If you like any life hack, then you can upvote it and favorite it so that you can access it anytime. Well, here's a quick technology life hack. FutureMe.org lets you send letters to yourself in the future.
Splash, an Android application for Unsplash. So if you don't know what Unsplash is, then it is a website where they share professional looking pictures or wallpapers which you can use it for anything. Anything means anything for commercial or personal use, and that is also without the need to give credits to them, which is great, right? And because of that, most of the Android wallpaper developers take these photos from the Unsplash and put them into their own collection for minimal wallpapers. So definitely get this app because it's worth spending each MB on it.
Coming to the next app on the list, we have Instagrid. With this app, you can do this or this. Basically, it crops your pictures into any of the following grids and then upload directly to Instagram. In my opinion, the best use of this is to post panoramas on Instagram using the feature which lets you post multiple photos or videos in a single post.
Tap Slide. A simple photo slideshow creating app with your own desired background music. Open the app and add the photos that you need, then press Start button. You can change the background music from the top left corner music icon. And once you are set with the music, just press Start and it will play the music in background. So just tap the next button whenever you think that it matches with the music that plays in background. Just like we do the jump cuts in our video. More than that, if you want, you can zoom or add subtitle for each picture from the top icons. So this app can be used to share some small ideas or messages to our friends through the social media, where you can create it much faster than we create in the PC.
Coming to the next app on the list, we have Pixel Navbar. With this little app, you can make your navbar look like the one on the Pixel or Android O. Inside the app, you can change the position and size of the overlays in case you wish to do so.
Plug for Instagram. An extra plugin for Instagram where it shows all type of trending tags on Instagram. So we can see those tags when we swipe from the left in the official Instagram page or Instagram app. So you can just copy and paste these tags to each of your posts to increase the reachability. Even you can create your own tags and save it to this section so that whenever we post a new picture, it's just a matter of copy and paste. Swiping from the right will give you a pin tab where you can pin anyone's profile, and whenever that person uploads a new picture, it shows here, which make it easy not to miss any picture that the special person upload. So to activate it, just open the app and turn it on by giving permission to the service accessibility from the device settings.
Talking about Zooper, we have minimal UI for Zooper. Here, we're looking at 50 different skins to choose from and 20 different wallpapers to go along with it. The widgets are very well made and they're also super minimal, just as the name. All the widgets here are white with black text, but as you can see, I've switched the colors on my setup. Well, if you're in a hunt for a new Zooper skin, then definitely give this one a try. On to the next one.
Where the Shadows Slumber, a minimal game where each level is closely related to the shadow. So the character in the game needs to get through a door to complete each level, where she is walking with a light in her hands. And as she walks, the shadow direction gets changed. And as the direction gets changed, new parts are formed. Honestly guys, I just don't know how to explain it. So just do watch the gameplay. So the animations, the UI and all are too cool to just sit and play for hours.
Coming to the next app, we have Universal Copy. I've been using this app for a little over 4 months and it is a very handy app. So I thought to include this one in case any of you don't know about it. Just as the name says, this app lets you copy any text where the default long press feature doesn't work. For example, you can copy captions or comments from Instagram, description of videos or any such places.
Tiny App. Tiny App will boost up the play of multitasking up the sky. So what I mean by that is, it includes tiny windowed apps which are floating apps and stays top of all other apps, which can increases the productivity of a person. So this app comes with a bunch of different types of apps like video player, calculator, web browser, music player and much more. In the free version, some of these apps are locked, but getting the premium version will get it unlocked. So make sure to try it to boost up the multitasking.
Digging more into handy apps, we have Wall Key Scroll. This app comes into place when you're reading any big article on the internet, and instead of just scrolling with your fingers, just enable this app and you can use the volume up and down keys to scroll respectively and get more screen real estate.
Volume slider. Turning it on from the app will give you a slider at the right side of your device, where you can slide up and down to increase and decrease any volume of your device. So in the free version, you can select 3 positions to set the slider, and unlocking the paid version give access to set it on more than 3 sides. From here, you can specifically select which type of volume is to be controlled, and even you can set it for brightness of your device, which is awesome, right? So I really loved this app and now I am using it for daily basis to control the media volume. So give a shot at it for sure.
Next we have Unconnectify. So here's what you can do with it. You can set alarms as to when the app will automatically disable and re-enable your connections like Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth and cellular network. So setting alarms according to your daily schedule will optimize your battery consumption by a little bit.
Wallpapers with filter. A wallpaper app which also includes inbuilt filter image. So the main aim to add a filter is to make the things easy when we need to add any effect to the wallpaper before setting it as a wallpaper. It's really great and convenient to use when we are looking to make a dope Android home screen. It also includes a lot of wallpaper categories to choose from. I think that I will be keeping this app for a long time. Anyway, just get it now, if you are that person who tend to tweak the wallpaper before placing it.
The next app is Icon Pack Studio, and it's probably the first app of its kind that lets you create new icon packs and customize them however you like. Basically, the editor allows you to set mask shape, color and size. You can also add strokes, shadows and light. While the packs are easy to make, the color picker can be a little odd, only letting you choose from a few basic colors initially and then letting you tweak them later in the advanced editor. And of course, after you've made your very own icon pack, you can apply it to your custom launcher like Nova.
Reverse dictionary. As it sounds, it performs the reverse of actual dictionary, which means that when we search the definition that we know about a word, it gives the actual word of it. For example, when we type and search video website, it shows that correct word for it, which is the YouTube. So this app will be useful who writes a lot of scripts or posts about something.
We have AMOLED Minimal. This wallpaper takes a simple and minimal approach towards black AMOLED wallpapers. Well, these are some of my favorites, and the rest of the stuff is usual, like the ability to favorite wallpapers, switching between dark and light themes. If you have a device with AMOLED screen, then do give this a try.
YouTube tags. So as it sounds, it does the same. That is, it shows the tags used for a YouTube video right from your device. So all you have to do is go to the video which you want to see the tags, press the share button and select the YouTube tags from here. So there you have it, all the tags used in this video is shown. So be sure to grab it if you are a creator.
So coming to the productivity side of things, we have procrastination timer. So if you like me, then you probably procrastinate a lot. While you can't just stop doing it, you can at least control it to some extent and also get some work done. There's a timer in this app according to which you'll have to work for 52 minutes and also keep your procrastination game up for 70 minutes. So work, procrastinate and repeat. Well, that's only if you'll go according to this app. Else you might just end up procrastinating for 52 minutes and so on.
Text Converter. An app that helps you to convert any text to ASCII or binary or into any such type of all methods of codes. So if you don't know what it is, then these are machine language used by the computer to understand the text that we input. Anyway, if you still don't know what it is, then just ignore it. Because other than that, there is another section in this app called under style, where we are able to get more than 10 different styles for the text that we input. And you can copy any one of these into the clipboard where you are able to use it later in any of those social media that you think to share. So that's it guys, that's the end of long list of best apps for Android. So if you watched till here, then I really appreciate your support. And make sure to leave hashtag 50FTW in the comments below. So in case of the remaining 10 promo codes, I have set a page in gleam.io and I will leave the link to it in the description below. So just click the link and follow the instruction. So do remember, the more entry you have, the more is the winning chance. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and also share this video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. It's me VM and I will catch you guys later.